Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are in Kastel-Staadt. Come join us as we check out the Hermitage.
Which also houses the grave of King John of Bohemia, who built Freudenburg, which was last week's video.
Let's go check it out. The origins of the Hermitage of Kastel-Staadt date back to the 13th century in the context of the Crusades. The Hermitage was a destination for pilgrims who revered Saint Helen, mother of Roman Emperor Constantine, who was said to have found the Holy Cross in the 4th century. To accomplish this, 2 chambers were carved into the sandstone rock, which depicted the finding of the Holy Cross. A reproduction of the Holy Sepulchre was also carved out in addition to living rooms and prayer rooms, which were supposed to resemble the sacred sites on the mountain Golgotha in Jerusalem.
Later, around 1600, a Franciscan monk began construction on a chapel on top of older foundations. The ground floor was used as a church, with the level above being used as a residence for hermits, who continued living here up until the French Revolution. After the Revolution, the structure was abandoned and fell into disrepair.
It was left in a ruined state until 1833. The Klause was donated to the Prussian King Friedrich Wilhelm IV by the community of Kastel-Staadt. The king had the building transformed into a mausoleum for King John of Bohemia. The chapel was as much a burial monument for King John as it was a demonstration of the might of Prussia, who were the rising power in the area.
After the Second World War, at the instigation of the State of Luxembourg, King John's bones were abducted from the burial chapel in a cloak and dagger operation and brought to Luxembourg to the crypt under the Cathedral of Our Lady, where they lie to this day.
Thank you for joining us at the Hermitage at Kastel-Staadt. We were. And thank you for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of videos. And if you have any question or any other comment, drop them down below and we react to everything.
Until next time. Bye.
Bye!